Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Hexagon Lovey blanket, security blanket. I'll leave a link in the description for the star blanket and the little bunny head that I've done in a previous video. All you need is a 3.5mm hook, some scissors, a yarn needle and some cotton yarn. To start, make a slip knot and chain 4. Go back into the first chain that you made and make a slip knot. Alright, now you have a little loop. Chain 4. Yarn over and make a double crochet into the center. Right, so that first chain 4 counts as a double crochet. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into the center. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the center. So you want to work around until you have 6 of these double crochet posts. That's 3. Make sure you chain 2 in between each one. Okay, and end with a chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of that chain 4. Right, so that's the center. Chain 3 and make a double crochet in the top of this first stitch. So just in there. And make a double crochet in the space. Chain 2. Make another double crochet in the same space. Okay, so this piece we will finish when we come around. So you need to make a double crochet in the top of these 2 stitches, 1 in each stitch. And in every space you need to make a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. So that'll be the same for every space on every row, and a double crochet in the top of each stitch. Alright, so now that we're back to the start, we have 3 double crochets there. So you've 1 double crochet in the space, chain 2, and 1 double crochet back into that same space, and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Okay, so now that one has 4 posts in that one. So each row you will increase by 2. So this row is 2 double crochets and this row is 4. So the next row will be 6 double crochets along. So you always start with chain 3. Okay. 1 double crochet in the top of each of the next stitches. And in every space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Right, 1 in the top of each of these stitches. In the space you make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, so you've got 2, 4 and 6. Okay. So I'll just finish this row and I'll show you how to complete that first one there. Okay, so now I've come back round. I just have this last space, so 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then I just need to add, so this one has 4, 1 there, I just need to add a double crochet into this post here. And that'll mean that all the sides have 6 double crochets. Okay, slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. And you're ready to start your next row. So your next row will be 8 double crochets. So it's your chain 3. We're going to the top of this one here. To the top of the next one. Then make your double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the space. So this one has 5 and you'll finish it here. You'll do 6, 7 and 1 in the space to make 8. This one is probably a lot easier than doing the star lovey blanket. There's no slip stitches, you just chain 3 at the start. Alright, and you can make this as big as you want. Okay, I'll just finish this row and I'll show you how to complete that piece. Okay, so I've come back around. This is my last space. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then 1 into the top of these 2 here. So every row that you do around, there'll be an extra one here. So in the next row, there'll be 3 double crochets to finish with. Okay, slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Okay, chain 3. And you're ready to start your next row, which will be 10. So for this panda one, I did it until I had 22 double crochets along, but you can do it as big as you want. Alright, so that black row was 22 double crochets along.